Good afternoon, folks. This is Fred Campos, owner of DFW Website Designers. It is Saturday, February the 6th, 2021, and this is episode number 102 of your 3 business tips at 3 o'clock in under or around 3 minutes. Today we're going to talk about accounting software. You know, small business owners, one of the least favorite things, at least for me, in running a small business and helping other small businesses that I meet through my web design company is accounting. It is so important that you keep track of your accounts receivables, your receipts, your miles, and track everything you do, how you spend your money, where money goes out, profit and loss statements, all that good stuff. Now, the right way to do it, and doesn't mean that it's wrong if you don't do it this way, is as you start your new business, you go talk to a lawyer, you go talk to an accountant, hire an accountant, have them set up your books, and ask them what software they recommend for that they use primarily. It is because of that very reason that my primary software is with QuickBooks Pro, which let's pause a second. Today we're going to talk about QuickBooks, we're going to talk about Freshbooks, and we're going to talk about Netsuite as accounting solutions. Now, as I was saying, you probably should use whatever your accountant recommends. So really, you don't really get a choice. I mean, it'd be like trying to pick a drug and then going to your doctor and say if you should take this. The right thing to do would be to have the doctor diagnose you and recommend the drug for you. So don't put the cart in front of the horse. But I also know my audience. Some of you are going to say, yeah, Fred, accountants are expensive. I'll hire them towards the end of the year, but I need to start out with some accounting software, so what do you recommend? So here's the deal. Let's talk about QuickBooks Pro. QuickBooks has a PC version and a web version, and it is by far the most popular. The majority of small business owners that I know use it for their invoicing and use it for their tracking their accounting. Again, because of popularity, not necessarily because of price, it is the most used by most small business people that I know, and it's the one recommended by my accountant, and probably your accountant will too. All things being equal, given the choice, business tip number 2, I would use Freshbooks. Freshbooks is an online system. It's priced pretty much the same as QuickBooks, but it has a few other things other than accounting in it. One of the things that I personally would use if I was starting over is it has a time tracker section, which is awesome. Third possibility you may want to consider, business tip number 3, is NetSuite. NetSuite is also an online accounting system, but it has a bunch of other things like inventory management, lease management, and a bunch of other features that neither QuickBooks nor FreshBook has. The bottom line is you need some sort of accounting system, and if you're starting out, you definitely should start out with that. I prefer that you talk to your accountant about it, but consider these 3 things: QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and then NetSuite. As always, I'm trying to give you ideas to be awesome. Now go back to sleep.